Welcome back to Fox 2 News. We've just heard word that Corizio Academy's water may be contaminated. Send it over to Larry Russell for the update.
Alert, alert, everyone to get out of hall. Water has been contaminated.
You heard that right, St. Louis. Here we have the poisonous solution, but we have found just the right way to extract the poison from our water.
While being around the water is completely safe, we highly recommend that you do not ingest the water, as it may cause vomiting, diarrhea, upset stomach, and nausea. If you experience any of these symptoms, please contact Poison Control immediately. And here is Dr. Hybe to explain the plan on separating the poison from the water.
Thank you, Katie. This is what we did to extract the poison from the water. We added NaCl into the poisonous organic compound, and this left the compound on top of the salt water. Now, why? Well, we do not know the identity of the organic compound, so we could have two different outcomes. First, if the hydrogen molecule in the organic compound is bonded to an O, F, or N molecule, then we could have hydrogen bonding. Remember, the fun molecules for hydrogen bonding. Secondly, though, it could just be a polar molecule, which would make the water dissolve into the organic compound, as we know polar dissolving and polar. So why NaCl? We chose NaCl because it is ionic, and ionic compounds are easily dissolved in polar solvents, which is what we need, water. And as we can see here, when we pour the NaCl into the poison, the water is pulled out from the organic compound, and it bonds to each corresponding force. So, we know for sure that the organic compound must be less polar than the water because the NaCl is attracted to the water instead of the organic compound. And we do not know if it's polar or non-polar, but we know it must be less polar than the water.
Okay, so what we did is we took a beaker with 40 milliliters of our solution with the poison in it, and we put 1 gram of salt into it and mixed it around with a metal stirring rod until it was dissolved. Nothing happened, so then we added 3 more additional grams of salt and then mixed it with the metal stirring rod. And then once it was all dissolved, we watched it for a few seconds, and then the poison separated to the top, and that's how we did it.
Thank you, Dr. Hybe and Dr. Pinkston, for the explanations. Remember, CJ students, stay safe out there and don't drink the water.
Don't drink the water!